Hello and welcome to this series of lectures in survival IsiXhosa. By way of introduction, I'm going to take you through three of the more difficult sounds which occur in the language, and after which it will really be plain sailing as far as pronunciation is concerned. So there are basically three clicks in the language, and they are the X, the C, and the Q. Okay, now how do we pronounce these? The X is a lateral sound, a lateral click sound on the side of the mouth, any side, whichever is comfortable for you. You place your tongue against your molars and you make a sound. Okay, and an example of a word in which that sound occurs is the language we are trying to learn, IsiXhosa. 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 Good. The next one is the C, which is a dental click articulated on the ridge behind your teeth, and it comes across as in the word IsiXhosa. IsiXhosa. IsiXhosa is a spoon. A spoon. IsiXhosa. And the third click is the Q, which is a palatal click. It's articulated on the palate, and it sounds like this. And an example of a word in which that sound occurs is iqanda. Iqanda. Iqanda, which is an egg. So you have the three: IsiXhosa, IsiXhosa, and iqanda. Practice those. Secondly, I just want to run through three universal keywords which are key to all communication in whatever language you speak, and they are ewe, ewe meaning yes, ewe, yes, hayi, hayi, no, and enkosi, enkosi, thank you. Ewe, hayi, enkosi. Once more. Ewe, hayi, enkosi. So practice the three clicks and these three universal keywords, and we will start with the communication series proper in the next video. Thank you.